Ever wondered why some cars zoom past other cars in a race? Because of nitrous. And how does a nitro work? Let's find out. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of nitrous oxide and its incredible ability to boost engine power. Have you ever wondered how this seemingly simple gas can transform a standard engine into a high-performance machine? We'll explore the science behind nitrous oxide, how it enhances combustion, and the benefits it brings to automotive enthusiasts. From drag racing to street performance, nitrous oxide plays a significant role in maximizing horsepower and torque. So, buckle up as we uncover the secrets of this powerful gas and its impact on engine performance, making your ride faster and more exhilarating than ever. First, let's learn what is nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide, commonly known as N2O, is a colorless gas with a slightly sweet odor, often used in automotive applications to enhance engine performance. Its chemical composition consists of 2 nitrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, which sets it apart from regular air, primarily composed of nitrogen and oxygen in different ratios. When injected into an engine, nitrous oxide increases the amount of oxygen available for combustion, allowing for a more powerful fuel burn. This results in significant boosts in horsepower and torque, making it a popular choice among racers and performance enthusiasts looking to maximize their vehicle's potential. Now let's find out how nitrous oxide works in engines. Nitrous oxide enhances combustion through a process known as nitrous injection, where the gas is introduced into the engine's intake system. When injected, nitrous oxide breaks down at high temperatures, releasing additional oxygen molecules. This increase in oxygen availability allows for a richer air-fuel mixture, enabling the engine to burn more fuel efficiently. As a result, the combustion process becomes more powerful, leading to a significant boost in engine power output. This not only enhances acceleration but also improves overall engine efficiency, making nitrous oxide a popular choice for those seeking to maximize their vehicle's performance on the road or track. Different types of nitrous oxide systems. When it comes to nitrous oxide systems, there are 2 main types: wet and dry systems. Wet nitrous systems mix nitrous oxide with fuel before entering the engine, providing a balanced air-fuel mixture, which is ideal for high-performance applications. However, they can be more complex to install. On the other hand, dry systems inject nitrous oxide alone, relying on the engine's existing fuel system to supply the necessary fuel. While easier to install, they may require more precise tuning. Popular nitrous oxide kits include the NOS nitrous oxide systems and Edelbrock nitrous kits, both favored by performance enthusiasts for their reliability and effectiveness. Benefits of using nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide offers significant advantages for enhancing engine performance, making it a popular choice among automotive enthusiasts. One of the most notable benefits is the substantial power gains achievable, with some systems providing an increase of 50 to 300 horsepower depending on the setup. Additionally, nitrous oxide serves as a cost-effective performance enhancement solution compared to other modifications, such as turbocharging or supercharging. Its ability to deliver instant power makes it particularly valuable in competitive racing and automotive sports, where every fraction of a second counts. Overall, nitrous oxide is an efficient way to elevate performance without breaking the bank. If something has benefits, it also has potential risks and considerations. While nitrous oxide can significantly enhance engine performance, it also comes with potential risks that should not be overlooked. Misuse or improper installation can lead to severe engine damage, including blown gaskets or even catastrophic failure. Therefore, proper tuning and installation are crucial to ensure the engine can handle the increased power safely. Additionally, it's important to be aware of legal considerations and regulations surrounding nitrous oxide use, as some jurisdictions have restrictions on its application in street vehicles. Understanding these risks and adhering to guidelines will help maximize the benefits of nitrous oxide while minimizing potential downsides. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the incredible benefits of nitrous oxide in boosting engine power, highlighting how it enhances combustion and increases horsepower. We discussed the different types of nitrous systems, their applications, and the significant performance gains they offer. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of safe and responsible use of nitrous systems to prevent potential engine damage. If you found this information valuable, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video for more exciting automotive content. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of performance enhancements and automotive technology.